If you're looking to keep your fitness on track while at home, you may find a treadmill the ideal solution. Treadmills help you incorporate fitness into your daily life. Regardless of the weather condition, it keeps you running from the comfort of your home. If you want to lose weight sensibly or stay fit, you need to choose the right treadmill. Starting at number 1. NordicTrack Commercial 1750 Treadmill. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 is a compact machine and hence an ideal treadmill for live workouts from home. You can easily fold the treadmill when not in use to save space. Moreover, one treadmill can cater to the needs of the whole family as it covers a weight range of up to 300 pounds. The iFit workout app turns the treadmill into a truly smart device. Your trainer can now instruct you on live sessions through this app. While you're concentrating on your workout, your trainer can adjust the speed, incline, and running surface remotely. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750 also comes with the latest versions for Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. Therefore, you can connect your favorite headphone with the device and listen to workout music while you run. Wi-Fi allows you to stream live HD workout videos that iFit trainers host frequently. At number 2. Xterra Fitness TR150 Treadmill. The Xterra Fitness TR150 is an ideal treadmill for fitness enthusiasts who seek performance, quality, and storage flexibility. The manufacturer designed the treadmill in thoughtful ways so that it fits in the home environment. It also delivers the appropriate amount of comfort that you need during workout sessions. If you're an enthusiastic runner, you can definitely benefit from TR150's heart-pounding running speed range that goes up to 10 miles per hour. There are individual speed buttons so that you can control your running speed effortlessly. You may be running at a higher speed while you don't need to worry about irritating noise, as the treadmill comes with a quiet and smooth 2.5 horsepower HP motor. The Xterra Fitness TR150 also enables you to practice a variety of workouts through its 12 built-in workout programs. Furthermore, a cushioned running deck, wide running surface, and 3 manual incline positions help you if you want to push your limits. A big 5-inch LCD keeps showing feedback like time, program, calories, speed, pulse, and distance. At number 3. Echelon Stride Treadmill. The Echelon Stride Treadmill is a machine that puts safety before everything else. Hence, it has a metal safety bar located under the running deck. It offers protection to the objects against being pulled under. The auto-fold technology of this machine makes the heart-pumping workouts more accessible. Thanks to the built-in wheels and the lightweight design, moving and storing are easier than ever before. The folded treadmill only occupies 10 inches of vertical space. Hence, you can discreetly store it anywhere. This machine comes with a 12-month limited warranty on parts and labor, meaning you can use it with reassurance. Its heart rate sensor comes integrated into the handlebar. The LED display panel shows accurate pulse, incline, distance, speed, time, and calorie burn. It offers a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and a maximum incline of 10%, which is essential for a wide variety of cardio exercises. Its side steps allow you to step off conveniently after completing your running practices. Bluetooth, USB charging port, and safety stop lanyard are some other highlighted conveniences that the treadmill offers. At number 4. Sunny Fitness SF T7515 Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness SF T7515 Smart Treadmill comes with 12 different adjustable automatic incline levels. You can also use the countdown modes for time, speed, and calories. It has an integrated BMI calculator that you can use for reference purposes. Whether you're an athlete or fitness enthusiast, the treadmill can help you push your limits with its running speed compatibility for up to 8 miles per hour. Moreover, it has a running space of 16.5 x 49.5 inches, which is large enough for worry-free running. You can monitor health stats like pulse, time, speed, distance, incline, calories, and heart rate on the backlit digital LCD panel. You can also use its Bluetooth wireless connectivity to enjoy the phone and music functions while running. You can fold the Sunny Health and Fitness SF T7515 Smart Treadmill to save space. This allows you to effortlessly move it anywhere for storage, thanks to its transportation wheels. You can safely unfold this unit using the soft drop hydraulic system. At number 5. SereneLife Smart Electric Folding Treadmill. The SereneLife Smart Electric Folding Treadmill is good for you if you've got little time to go to the gym and want to meet your workout goals from the comfort of home. The treadmill has a modern look along with a sturdy design and space-saving framework that perfectly blends with a variety of interiors. Its quiet yet powerful motor can sustain long running time as well as different speed profiles, 0.6 to 6.0 miles per hour, to meet the needs of the whole family. You can connect the treadmill with the FitShow app through Bluetooth connectivity to visualize training stats and training data. You can also challenge a friend or share fitness stats using social media profile. All of that using Android or iOS smart devices like tablets, mobiles, etc. The treadmills help you with cardio fitness, weight loss, and health stamina building, thanks to its 12 preset training modes. That's not all. The appliance comes with a high-tech BPM pulse monitoring feature through hand grip sensors. At number 6. Sunny Fitness SF T1407M Treadmill. The Sunny Manual Walking Treadmill is a manual exercise machine that does not need any electricity. It is durable enough to withstand light jogging, power walking, or running on a large and manual belt. The treadmill has a digital monitor that displays time, distance, speed, and burned calories. This treadmill comes with a non-slip running surface for high-speed running with a weight capacity of up to 220 pounds. Therefore, you can safely perform multiple cardio exercises without worrying about accidents. The ergonomic design of this treadmill is suitable for any home size. Easy folding and wheels make it effortless to store and move between spaces. This low-maintenance machine also has floor stabilizers, dual flywheels, and non-slip handles. High-density and slip-resistant foam handrails offer additional support during high-speed running. This affordable treadmill will help you start your fitness journey. Walking can significantly improve mental and physical health. The compact design of the treadmill will get you into shape regardless of home size.